Welcome to this lesson on calculus. Today, we are going to learn how to find derivatives using the limit process definition. This is often called computing the derivative from first principles. It is the foundation for all the shortcut rules you might learn later. First, what exactly is a derivative? Simply put, it measures the instantaneous rate of change of a function. If you look at a graph, the derivative represents the slope of the tangent line at any specific point. It tells us how steep the curve is at that exact moment. Let's visualize this. To find the slope at a point x, we pick a second point nearby at x plus h. The line connecting them is called a secant line. As we make the distance h smaller and smaller, approaching zero, that secant line moves and eventually becomes the tangent line. This limiting process is the key. This leads us to the formal definition formula. The derivative, f prime of x, is equal to the limit as h approaches zero of the fraction, f of x plus h minus f of x, all divided by h. This fraction is just the slope formula, rise over run. The best way to learn is by doing. Let's find the derivative of the function f of x equals x squared. We will plug this specific function into our definition formula and solve it step by step. Step 1 is substitution. Wherever we see x in our function, we replace it with x plus h, so f of x plus h becomes x plus h squared. We plug this into our numerator and subtract the original function, x squared. Step 2 is to expand and simplify. We expand the x plus h squared term to get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Notice that the x squared terms cancel each other out. We are left with 2xh plus h squared in the numerator. Step 3, we now have an h in every term of the numerator. Factor out that h. This allows us to cancel it with the h in the denominator. This is the crucial step that removes the division by zero problem. We are left with just the limit of 2x plus h. Finally, step 4, we evaluate the limit. Since we are no longer dividing by zero, we can simply set h to 0. The term plus h vanishes, and we are left with the final result. 2x. The derivative of x squared is 2x. To summarize, you can find any derivative using this four-step process. 1. Substitute x plus h2, set up the difference quotient formula. 3. Simplify algebra to cancel the h in the bottom. And 4. Evaluate the limit by setting the remaining h's to 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.